Two men live taken in St. Catherine on Boxing Day. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links W7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links W7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links W7 TV News Report. The St. Catherine police are probing two separate murders in the parish on Boxing Day, including the stabbing death of a man in a rural community up above rocks. The identities of the deceased man has not yet been ascertained. Reports are that about 7 a.m., residents found the body of a man lying on a roadway in above rocks called Two Rivers. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, the body was seen with what appears to be stab wounds and the throat slash. The body was removed to the morgue for a postmortem examination. 4 hours later, gunmen struck in Lakes Pen in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, killing a 30-year-old man who goes by the name Rashid Myers. It is reported that at about 11:30 a.m., members of the security force were in the area in Lakes Pen when they heard gunfire coming from a section of the community and went to investigate. Myers' bullet-riddled body was found along Banana Lane in the community. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The Spanish Town police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.